They told you buying a house was the dream, the key to wealth. But what if I told you it's one of the biggest lies in personal finance? Meet Jamie, 28 years old. Good job, saved up for years. Finally got that down payment, 20%. Felt like winning the lottery? Everyone said the same thing. Congratulations, you're building equity. Real estate always goes up, but here's what they didn't tell Jamie. A house isn't an asset, it's a money pit. Month 1. Mortgage payment hits? Okay, expected that. Then property taxes, homeowner's insurance, HOA fees if you're unlucky. But wait, there's more. The roof needs repair, $4,000. 6 months in. The furnace dies. Middle of winter, another $5,000, gone. Year 2, water heater, $1,800. Here's the trap. When you rent, the landlord pays for this stuff. When you own, every single thing comes out of your pocket. But everyone says you're building equity. You're not throwing money away on rent. Here's the dirty secret. In the first 10 years of your mortgage, most of your payment goes to interest, not equity, the bank. You're burning $2,500 a month and calling it wealth building. Meanwhile, there's someone else. Let's call them Taylor. Taylor rents, pays $2,000 a month. Taylor takes that extra $1,000 Jamie spends on ownership costs and invests it. Fast forward 10 years, Jamie's house is worth more. Bought for $400,000, now worth $550. $150,000 in gains. Rich, right? Wrong. Jamie paid $120,000 in interest to the bank, $40,000 in maintenance and repair, $30,000 in property taxes. To sell, 6% realtor fees. That's $33,000. Total cost, $223,000. Net gain after 10 years, negative $73,000. Now look at Taylor. That $1,000 a month for 10 years, $120,000 invested. At 10% average return, it's worth $200,000 now. Plus, Taylor stayed flexible, switched jobs twice, moved for opportunities. Jamie, stuck, can't move without selling, can't sell without losses. Here's the truth they don't want you to hear. A house can be great if you're staying put, if you love the area, if you want stability, but it's not an investment. It's a lifestyle choice. Real wealth? It comes from assets that pay you. So before you buy that house because everyone says you should, ask yourself, am I doing this for wealth or for my parents' approval? Because the biggest investment you can make isn't in real estate. It's in knowing the difference between what looks like wealth and what actually builds it. Choose wisely. Your future depends on it. Ready to build real wealth? Subscribe and let's learn together.